Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So again, before we continue, just want to let you guys know, you guys can actually get all these trade setups and everything I talk about for free. You just have to follow me on X. Again, I posted these setups before we got the 94% gain, $12,000 profit. I posted it beforehand. All right, we've been talking about the setup for so long ahead of time. In September, beginning of September, we're bullish. Everybody is bearish. Everybody's calling for a market crash. The top is in, and guess what? A lot of these influencers just got blown up, and you know they made a new high. So you know the previous high was just fake. Oh no, now the high is in, and they'll keep going until they're right. So again, here we just focus on the TA, what's in front of us, facts, and the facts are that Bitcoin's probably got higher to go. Right? We've been saying this since the lows here, and we've been holding on to our position. Now we just took profit, right, on our first trade, so we're gonna be looking to get back into Bitcoin 100%. Again, it could run a little bit higher, maybe 128, 130. Listening a lot of people talk about that. There's also liquidation building around there, but again, that's not something we really incorporate into the analysis. But yeah, looking at market cipher, weekly is super bullish, right? We just shifted with a 13 and -3 on the dual band strength index. Green dot daily time frame also have green money flow increasing. The 12-hour is increasing, looking very good. We printed a red dot, so maybe we'll get a little bit of consolidation here on Monday. 4-hour time frame, green money flow continues to build. The 1-hour time frame, though, there's a little bit of a difference here. We are dwindling. We are seeing green money flow kind of dissipate, and we could get a pullback. And if we get a pullback, in my opinion, it's a huge buy the dip opportunity for more upside. So again, I'll be watching that to see if it does end up getting played out, and we'll be looking for the 7-hour RSI bands. This continues to climb up, and it will build a base of support for Bitcoin as we go higher and higher and higher. Right? We could even consolidate, and this will climb up. And you can see, historically speaking, every time we've hit this 7-hour RSI band, I think I've circled some instances in the past, but anyways, you can see here every time we hit the 7-hour and the 12-hour, we get a great reaction in terms of the price going higher. Yes, sometimes it's not instant. You can go a little bit lower, but when you start to base out and you're oversold and you're on the 7-hour RSI band, the chances are you're going higher. Some great points, some great examples. Sorry, right here, right? We had a nice reaction, end up going lower, buy it again. Look at that. Big move higher, right? So again, a lot of these people don't want to believe TA works, but again, these are facts in front of you, and we are outperforming Bitcoin this year by over 130%. So we are very, very nicely in the money this year on our crypto trade. So we'll be looking to continue to add to some positions and look to see what's our next big trade setup. So if you want to see the updates, you can join the Discord, or you could just follow me on X. Obviously, Discord gets the live alerts, and then X I have to post it a little bit later. But again, if it's up to you guys to take a look to see what you want, and we'll take a look at Wave Edge now. We'll just take a look at Wave Edge. So Wave Edge, obviously, we had that 3-day green cross. It's proven to be correct so far. We're getting some nice upside. Is this it? Or are we going to see follow through? In my opinion, we're going to be going to 130, 170. But it's going to take some time, and you're going to see a lot of people, not looking to buy the dip and to short, and that's probably why it's going to keep going higher, because usually the majority of people are wrong, and following all these big influencers on X is the reason, is a great indicator of why we're probably going to go higher. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So congrats if you have been following the analysis. We nailed this one in the bag here. The buy area was hit, and then we had some failures here, but ended up going higher. Okay. All right. Peace.